I am at Klondike Park and Jeff just dropped off Lisa, we're gonna ride together down the KATY trail, and then Jeff is gonna meet us. All right, thanks, Jeff.
You guys.
See you in a bit.
Alrighty.
So yeah, we get to go down the very steep hill that I climbed yesterday. So it's kind of a bit of a reward here. All right. Fun. Lisa on her Catrike, on her Villager. And we are passing Matson, Missouri trailhead on the KATY trail. Just a sensational day out here. It's got a bit of a dramatic landscape here. These bluffs. And we're right next to the river. Is our destination, Weldon Springs, Missouri. Did a little roundabout. Well, thank you, Lisa. That was really fun. Very nice ride. Trikers on the trail. Myrtle, let's go. I'm with Lisa. We started at Weldon Springs. Her husband Jeff dropped us off, and we're doing a ride on the KATY trail to St. Charles. Another beautiful day out here. Just really enjoying this great weather in shorts and short sleeve shirt. And we have a Triker on the trail, another Triker. See if they'll slow down, if they'll recognize other Trikers on the trail. Hey there. Hey, how's it going? Nope, I guess not. Too busy. Too busy to say hello. And we are on a part of the KATY trail. It's a little bit further from the river. You can't see the river, but you can hear activity. The tugboats going by, the barges. And I think we're coming into an area that's a little more populated, so there's a little more traffic on the trail than I've seen got these beautiful cliffs, bluffs, buzzards flying overhead. Oh, I just had such a good time with Lisa and Jeff. Lisa is a new triker and she found my YouTube channel, saw that I was coming up the KATY trail, reached out and offered to host me. They have a very nice home. I stayed in a guest room. Lisa is a terrific cook. And Jeff helped me with a pretty big project, something that really needed to be taken care of. Turns out I started this tour with 4 screws missing from my battery mount, the battery mount that actually works with the motor. I thought there were 2 screws missing. It turns out there are 4. I got the screw sizes from HP Velotechnic, my trike manufacturer. I had been to numerous hardware stores. These screws are very small, they're metric. I couldn't find them anywhere. Jeff found them, and the project turned out to be quite a bit more complicated than either one of us expected. I'm just so grateful for his help, his patience, his perseverance. I know if I had tried to do this on my own, I would have been in an absolute puddle of tears. And instead, I left their house in the morning with a real sense of peace of mind. He also helped me to replace a bolt that was holding together 2 pieces on the cargo rack for my trailer. And so we really got a lot of very important things done. And I am just so grateful to Lisa and Jeff for hosting me and helping me with these projects.